Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Had a great start to the week with a couple of trades this morning. There were day trades. We traded SPY and a few other stocks today. So let's jump into the trade recap. I'll show you my strategy, how I managed risk, and how I found these setups. So let's jump into it. The first one that was called out was SPY. I shorted that really quick at 10:18 Eastern time, and let's take a look at this chart. So that was shorted at 226.8, which is right over here, and that was right on this VWAP rejection. So I was looking for a short on this one, and as soon as it started coming down, I took a short around here, and then as soon as it started breaking below that 9 EMA and broke down below, I alerted profits on that one. So as soon as we got that rejection and downtrend, I immediately alerted profits on that one, took profits at 225.6. So about $1.20 short per share on that one, nice profit. And then I took Visa long at 138.15, and if you don't know me or watch my previous videos, you know that I love to trade this stock because it just trades very systematically along with institutions, so it's pretty easy to understand and fairly easy to play, so that's why I like playing this one. And for this trade, I took it long at 138.15, so that was a little around 10.20. So as soon as I saw this jump off the lower VWAP, it went up 138.15, and what happened, it was getting rejected off the VWAP. So this is a VWAP strategy that I teach in the course and in the chat room as well, but mainly in the course, and it's a very simple one that I use every single day for trades. This is mostly for day trading itself and works perfectly. So that one I took profits at about 139. That was my profit target. What happened? Markets went down, SPY went down a little bit, so added at 137.25. What happened? Went down a little bit, came down, and then as soon as it started making that jump back up, I took profits on that one. And that was a little bit risky, but once you become more advanced day trader, swing trader, just a trader in general, you'll understand these bounces of the VWAP bands. And that's a strategy that I teach. What happened? Went up to 138.5. As soon as we saw a jump up on that one, I took profits on that one, and it went all the way to about 138.57, 138.7, and came back down again. So just continuing the downtrend overall, I was just playing the bounce on that one. So those are the two trades that I took. Another one was SQ. Saw a solid bounce on this one as soon as it started coming down. Got an entry about 36.2. I didn't alert this one as it was a little bit risky. And as soon as it hit that VWAP, I took profits about 37.3. So on that candle right there, because I saw a break over 9 EMA and the VWAP rejection. So I was like, that's it, I'm getting out. And then markets ran up even more after that. So this kept going. So those were 3-day trades that I took, and markets came up. That's because of the financial news that's going on right now. So they're looking for the stimulus package to be approved by Congress. So that's pretty much what's been going on. That's why we saw the huge gap up in pre-market in the markets. So again, all these trades are free. There's no charge for this one, and the chat room is free to join. The link will be in the description of the video, or you can head over to pinnacletrading.us, scroll down, and then click that join now for free button, and it'll take you over to Discord. And then all you have to do is download the app or use it on the web. You can use it on any device on the go. And if you're interested in learning how to find these trades, I have my course specifically that's 50% off right now. All you have to do is join the chat room, send me a message, and I'll send you a coupon link for that one. So this is what the course offers. That's current price, but I'll give you 50% off as markets are down right now. So let's call it a correction sale right now. So if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed how I showed my trade analysis, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Make sure to share the video as well if you have any trader friends that are interested in learning how to trade. I have several playlists for that one on getting started with trading. So if you can watch that playlist if you're interested in how to get started with trading, what platform to use, etc. Yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.